Some cars are built to get you from one place to another. The Mercedes-Benz S63 AMG was built to make a statement. With its handcrafted performance engine, luxury craftsmanship, and unmistakable presence, this was once one of the most powerful and prestigious sedans on the road. But time can be unforgiving. Years of neglect had turned this AMG into a shadow of its former self. The paint was deteriorating. The body carried the scars of abandonment. The interior had lost the elegance that once defined it. And beneath the surface, countless mechanical problems waited to be discovered. For most people, this Mercedes had reached the end of its story. But for us, this was just the beginning. The challenge ahead was enormous. Every damaged panel would need attention. Every worn component would need restoration. Every detail would need to be brought back to the standard worthy of the AMG badge. There would be setbacks. There would be surprises. And there would be moments when this project seemed impossible. But that's exactly what makes a restoration worth doing. Today, we're taking an abandoned Mercedes-Benz S63 AMG and attempting something extraordinary. A complete resurrection. From rust and ruin to showroom-ready luxury. Let's begin.
What you're looking at now is more than a restored car. It's a comeback story. Just look at where this Mercedes-Benz S63 AMG started. A neglected luxury sedan left to deteriorate. A machine many believed wasn't worth saving. A masterpiece hidden beneath layers of damage, wear, and time. And now, look at it. The bodywork shines once again. The interior has regained its luxury and sophistication. The engine delivers the performance that made the AMG name legendary. And every detail reflects the countless hours of dedication invested in this rebuild. This wasn't simply a repair. It was a complete transformation. Every challenge overcome, every damaged part restored, every setback turned into progress. Piece by piece, this forgotten machine was brought back to life. Projects like this remind us why restoration matters. Because sometimes the most rewarding builds are the ones everyone else has given up on. Today, this S63 AMG stands proudly once again. Not as an abandoned car, not as a forgotten project, but as a symbol of craftsmanship, persistence, and passion. From rust and ruin to the luxury performance machine it was always meant to be. Thank you for being part of this incredible journey. And remember, this is only the end of one restoration. The next transformation is already waiting.